Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blur out a background on CapCut. So select your video and go to Effects, Video Effects, and you are going to go to Basic. Search for Blur and Add and press the checkmark button. Then you are going to just export that. Go back and delete the effect, and you are just going to add in the file that we just exported. So press the plus button here to add the video. Once you're done, you are going to select the first video and select overlay. Then you are going to go to cutout and remove a background. You can also use customize cutout if you want to be more precise. But as you can see, the background has been blurred out. As you can see, some of the things in front is also like blurred. As you can see, like the table is blurred, but that's because it matches with the background. So I advise you to use the customize cutout, but I'm just doing it so it's quicker. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!